High-quality water is better for your business. By improving your water's quality, you can increase customer satisfaction, produce a better product, eliminate problems caused by bad water, protect water-using equipment, and save money. Meet the KineticoPRO wall-mounted W-Series reverse osmosis system. It's well suited for a variety of commercial applications. Available in 500 and 1,000 gallon per day capacities, they're mighty, but perfectly sized for applications needing quality water. From gyms, car washes and nurseries, to commercial kitchens, hospitals, manufacturing, and more. Need to customize TDS levels? Simply add an optional blending valve. The KineticoPRO W-Series RO is designed to maximize water production and minimize wastewater. It's powered by an energy-efficient DC motor from a standard electrical outlet. The W-Series RO is ideal for those who want a more sustainable approach to consistent, high-quality water for unwavering end product compliance and customer satisfaction. Plus, the savings when using high-quality water is an added bonus. Ask your Kinetico dealer about the KineticoPRO W-Series RO water system. KineticoPRO, delivering effortless total water care.